And now I need download driver apps on workforce and you type the driver download. Okay, and I am search the official website this one, and I like the download official website, the official website first download and not a virus driver. Okay, this is the official website. Click here. Mm, this one. Okay, the scroll down or the serial printer. Now you scroll down. You click need port. Click here. Okay. This here the title driver or software. Download driver or software your product. You click button download and please wait. Landing page loading again. Okay, this here the landing page. You scroll down. This here the title. Have we recognized your your operating system carrier? Okay. If you need like system operation, click here. This here the system. This here the operating system for the Android, operating system for the from iOS, operating system for iOS, operating system for the Linux. This here the operating system for the Mac OS. This is the new version Mac 12. This here, okay, this here the Mac 12 and Mac 11. Your scroll down, you see the system, this here the operating system for Windows, Windows 8. This here the Windows 11. Okay, you scroll down, this here the Windows 7 and Windows 9, Windows Server and Windows Vista, Windows 8. This video I am need like for the Windows 11, like your operating system for Windows 11. Click here and landing page loading again. And please wait, guys. Okay, this is the driver for the printer and scanner for the printer. Only driver and only scanner. If you click it, the driver Epson Universal Print Driver. If you okay, this is the release update and this is the driver print only and this is the driver scan part for user interface and you click here. Okay, this your function. Uh, this video I need to download universal driver complete driver for the Wi-Fi driver for the scanner driver is here complete driver. Click here and please wide driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and now if you need install for the Wi-Fi for the print to Wi-Fi, your it turn on same for from cable. You turn on the printer. You connect the printer for printer wizard for the Wi-Fi, and your input the password driver password Wi-Fi, and uh, you search for IP. You search for IP for the please write the driver finish download. You click run as driver and you click connect the IP your printer. Okay. This here the easy print for the not cable and long uh, we print. If you need a question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching guys. Like and subscribe my video.